Good morning, Marshall. Welcome back to another week of DI reading. Um, I hope you had an amazing weekend. Today we're going to do lesson 29, but before we start lesson 29, we are going to go ahead and go over a new vocabulary sentence in our textbook. So, as always, you need your book, your workbook, a pencil, and a sheet of paper to write on. Once you have your textbook, boys and girls, I need you to turn to the last page, page 338, okay? When you are here, go ahead and click pause if you need time to look for this page. When you're here, go ahead and click play so you can start your lesson. Okay, boys and girls, now, everybody touch sentence 7. What sentence? Get ready? Yes, sentence 7. This is a new vocabulary sentence. Listen. The traffic was moving 40 miles per hour. Everybody, go ahead and say that sentence. Get ready? Yes, the traffic was moving 40 miles per hour. Close your eyes and say the sentence. Get ready? Yes, the traffic was moving 40 miles per hour. Now, open your eyes. Okay. All the vehicles that are driving on a street are the traffic, okay? 40 miles per hour means 40 miles each hour. A car that is moving 40 miles per hour is moving 40 miles each hour. Everybody, what's another way of saying 71 miles each hour? Think big. Get ready? Yes. 71 miles per hour. Another way of saying 71 miles each hour is 71 miles per hour. Now listen. The traffic was moving 40 miles per hour. Everybody say the sentence. Get ready? Good. The traffic was moving 40 miles per hour. What word refers to all the cars and trucks that are moving on a street? Get ready? Yes, traffic. Traffic are all the cars and all the trucks on a street. And what word means each? Get ready? Yes, per. Per is another word for each. So miles per hour means miles each hour. Okay? All right. Now we are going to go back to lesson 29. Lesson 29 is found on page 172. If you need more time to look for page 172, click pause and come back when you are ready to start lesson 29. Right? Now, all right. Everybody, point to column 1. All these words end with the letters L-Y. Word 1. Loud and proud. Get ready. Yes, finally. Word 2. What word? Yes, easily. Word 3. What word? Yes, closely. Word 4. What word? Yes, slowly. Word 5. What word? Yes, probably. Word 6. What word? Yes, early. Awesome. Let's go to column 2. Loud and proud. Try our best. Word 1. What word? Yes, building. Word 2. What word? Yes, wobbled. Word 3. What word? Yes, stretched. Word 4. What word? Yes, thirsty. Word 5. What word? Yes, waste. Word 6. What word? Yes, moving. Find column 3. Word 1. What word? Yes, hoist. Word 2. What word? Yes, tough. Word 3. What word? Yes, sweater. Word 4. What word? Yes, squirrel. Word 5. What word? Yes, do. Word 6. What word? Yes, 40. Okay, let's go to column 4, the yellow column. I bet you are doing great tracking and reading, right? Right, word 1. What word? Yes, cover. Word 2. What word? Yes, discover. Word 3. What word? Yes, discovered. Word 4. What word? Yes, finished. Word 5. What word? Yes, umbrella. Let's go to column 5, the last column, number 1. What words? Yes, water strider. A water strider is an insect that can walk on the top of water. Everybody, what's the name of an insect that can walk on water? Get ready. Yes, water strider. Okay, word 2. What word? Yes, lawn. Lawn is the name for grass, and that is well kept and mowed. Everybody, what's the name for grass that is well kept? Get ready. Yes, lawn. Word 3. What word? Yes, learn. Word 4. What word? Yes, tube. Word 5. What word? Yes, traffic. All right, and let me go over the new vocabulary sentence one more time. Listen big. The traffic was moving 40 miles per hour. Everybody say that sentence. Get ready. Yes, the traffic was moving 40 miles per hour. What word means each? Get ready. Yes, per. And what word means all the cars and trucks that are moving on a street? Get ready. Yes, traffic. All right. Now everybody find part B in your textbook. Everybody point to part B. We are going to read the next story about Nancy, but first we are going to read 2 information passages. The first passage gives some facts about water. Okay? So, everybody point to the title. Everybody touch the title. Okay, let's read together. Tracking with me. Reading with me. Get ready. Water has a skin. The next story tells about the skin that water has. Stop right there. What will it tell about? Get ready. Yes, the skin water has. Keep tracking. You can see how that skin works by filling a small tube with water. Here's a picture of what you will see. We're at the bottom bullet. Get ready. The top of the water is not flat. The skin bends up in the middle. Stop right there. The first picture shows somebody filling the tube. The second picture shows the tube filled all the way to the top. Everybody, touch the top of the water in the full tube. Get ready. That's where the skin is. Everybody, which part of the skin bends up? Get ready. Right, the middle. Which part of the skin is the lowest? Get ready. Right, the part near the sides of the tube. Right, let's read the next quick information passage. You're pointing to the title. Get ready. Facts about dew. Okay, on my signal, we start. Get ready. The story you'll read today talks about dew. Stop right there. What will the story tell about? Get ready. Yes, dew. Keep tracking. The drops of water that you see on grass and cars early in the morning is called dew. Stop right there. Name 2 places you find dew. Get ready. Yes, if you named one of the following, you were right. On grass, on cars, on bushes. Keep tracking. Get ready. Here are some facts about dew. Dew forms at night. Stop right there. Everybody, listen to that fact again. Dew forms at night. Say that fact. Get ready. Yes, dew forms at night. Next one, get ready. Dew forms when the air gets cooler. Stop right there. Everybody listen to that fact again. Get ready. Dew forms when the air gets cooler. Say that fact. Get ready. Yes, dew forms when the air gets cooler. Why does dew form at night and not during the daytime? Get ready. Right, because the air is cool at night. Keep tracking. Dew disappears in the morning when the air warms up. Stop right there. What makes the dew disappear? Get ready. Yes, the warm air. Okay, everybody turn the page. It's time to read this next story about Nancy. First, you're going to read it to yourself. Then, you are going to go ahead and come back and listen to me read the story. So, I'm going to go ahead and give you time. So, click pause, read the story on your own. When you are done reading it by yourself, click play and listen to me read it to you and ask you questions. So, go and click pause. Right? Okay, now that you're back, that means that you already read the story once. It's my turn to read it to you. So everybody point to the title and you're tracking. Okay? Nancy tries to get some water. Tracking, get ready. If Nancy knew more about very small things, she wouldn't have been so afraid of climbing to high places to find water. Here's the rule. If tiny animals fall from high places, they don't get hurt. Stop right there. Everybody, what happens to tiny animals if they fall from high places? Get ready? Right, they don't get hurt. Keep tracking. If we dropped an ant from a high airplane, the ant would not be hurt at all when it landed on the ground. A mouse wouldn't be hurt either. Stop right there. Everybody, why wouldn't these animals be hurt if they fell from an airplane? Get ready? Right, because they're tiny. Keep tracking. A squirrel wouldn't be badly hurt. A dog would probably be killed. And you can imagine what would happen to an elephant. Stop right there. What would happen to an elephant? Get ready? Right, it would die. Keep tracking. Nancy was thirsty, so thirsty that she wanted to yell and scream and stamp her feet like a baby. Stop right there. Do you think she'll do that? Get ready. Probably not. Why not? Get ready. Right, because nobody could hear her. Keep tracking. Nancy knew that it wouldn't do any good to act like a baby, so she made up her mind to start thinking. She was pretty smart. She said to herself, if it were early morning, I could go out and drink dew from the lawn. Stop right there. What is dew on the lawn? Think big. Get ready. Right, drops of water on the grass. When do you see dew? Get ready. Right, in the morning. Keep tracking. But the grass was not moist with dew, and Nancy couldn't wait until morning. Stop right there, boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to point to this sentence right here. But the. Okay, are you there? All right, let's continue from there. But the grass was not moist with dew, and Nancy couldn't wait until morning. Stop right there. Why couldn't she wait until morning? Get ready. Right? Because she is thirsty now. Okay, keep tracking as I read. So she went to the bathroom looking for water. She had walked from her bedroom to the bathroom hundreds of times before, but this time it wasn't a walk. It was a long, long trip. She finally arrived in the bathroom. She walked around as she made up a plan for getting water. Here's that plan. She would climb up the corner strip of the cabinet. Stop right there. Listen to her plan again. Keep your finger there while I read her plan one more time. Listen big. She would climb up the corner strip of the cabinet. That strip was made of rough wood and it was easy to grip. It went straight to the top of the cabinet. Now listen, why was the corner strip of the cabinet easy to grip? Get ready. Right, because it was made of rough wood, and that made it easier. Everybody touch the cabinet in the picture. The cabinet is on the next page. Everybody touch it. Get ready. All right. Now listen. Run your finger up and down the corner strip she would climb. Get ready. You see my finger running up and down? That's how she's going to climb up there. That's her plan. Okay. Now, what's next to the top of the cabinet? Get ready. Right, the sink. Okay, let's go back to tracking. Remember, you're tracking while I read. Get ready. We're right here. That strip, we're over here. Nancy didn't know what kind of problem would meet her at the top of the cabinet. But first, she had to get to the top. So up she went. She hoisted herself up 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, slowly up. Then she began moving faster and faster. This isn't too hard, she said to herself. When she was almost at the top, she reached a spot where the strip was moist with oil, and she slipped. She fell all the way to the floor. Wow, boys and girls, look at the picture. What's happening in that picture? Get ready. Right, Nancy is falling. Do you think she will hurt herself? Get ready. No, why not? Do you remember the rule? Right, because tiny things don't hurt themselves when they fall from high places. And she is so small. Okay, turn the page and let's finish the story. Everyone's tracking? The fall scared her. She landed on her back. For a moment she didn't move. Then she got up slowly, testing her arms and legs to make sure that they weren't hurt. She had fallen from something that was 100 times taller than she was, but she wasn't hurt. Stop right there. She had just fallen from a cabinet. Everybody show me how high that cabinet would be if it were in your room. Get ready? Right, that cabinet is 100 times taller than Nancy. Okay, keep tracking. She wasn't hurt at all. Not one broken bone, not one scratch, not even an ouch. I don't know what's happening, Nancy said to herself, but I'm not afraid to try climbing that cabinet again. This time she got to the top. More next time. Now listen, if you were Nancy climbing the cabinet the second time, would you be very, very careful? Get ready? Probably, but not necessarily. But why not? Get ready? Right, because tiny things don't hurt themselves when they fall from high places. Now, Nancy has now learned 2 things about being very small. What's the thing she learned about talking? Get ready? Right, small things have very high voices. What's the second thing she learned? Get ready? Right, small things don't hurt themselves when they fall from high places. Okay, it's time for independent work. You have 14 questions on your textbook to answer on your sheet of paper, and then you have more in your workbook. Okay, so when you are done with textbook, go ahead and do questions for your workbook, front and back. Don't forget to post or send me a picture of your work for a daily grade. Thank you. Have a wonderful Monday.